If you're looking for an easy vegan recipe, then you have to try these one bowl cauliflower wings. They are seriously effortless and super quick to make. To a bowl, I add all-purpose flour, a few seasonings, and almond milk, and I whisk that into a really thick batter. Then I cut cauliflower into large florets.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey, if you're not washing your produce, this is a sign to wash your frickin' produce. Is that one moving? Bitch, that one's fucking moving.
Yeah, that is grossed me the F out, so I burnt the house down. No, I'm so dramatic. But I did wash that cauliflower probably 4 times because I just needed some peace of mind, okay? Then you're gonna throw those cauliflower florets into the batter, give it a really good toss, and then throw in some panko breadcrumbs, toss it really quickly, throw it onto a sheet pan and spray it with some olive oil, give it a nice flip, throw it back into the oven. Why am I out of breath? Then I made a vegan honey butter mixed with Frank's hot sauce to toss on half of the cauliflower wings, and the other half I did barbecue sauce, which I didn't show you because that barbecue sauce actually turned out to be, it sucked a big wiener, let's just put it that way. Then I serve it on a platter with some vegan ranch and holy sweet mother of pearl. These are literally so freaking good. It's like vegan 101. You need to try them.